you guys this beautiful candle warming table lamp. What's amazing about it is it'll warm your candles without flames, so there's no worry for any kind of fire hazard. It's also lovely, comes with an extra bulb specifically for this. I love the vintage look of it and the fact that it has this beautiful simple wood on the bottom. Also, the light is adjustable for dimness. What I absolutely love about this product is the safety factor of it. No flame, no burning wick, and you don't have to remember to blow the candle out when you leave the room. Absolutely perfect, especially for having kids or apartments where you can't have flames, or honestly, taking it on vacation with you, because now you know that you're gonna have this amazing scent that fills the room and it's gonna be safe. I hope you guys enjoy it.